Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Tonight by Jxdn, Iann, Dior, Travis Barker. For this tutorial, I'm going to be in drop D. So there's like two parts to this song, and I feel like it's in drop C because they hit that low C at some point, but we'll just play it up here on the 3rd fret because I'm not going to tune way down there. So I'm in drop D. The first part goes 3, and you'll have to listen to the rhythm, but it's like something like that. But anyway, so we'll go 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8 again. And then the next part is drop D, so open. And then at that part they go down to the low C, but we'll play the high C. Whoop. So 3, 5, 5, X, 3, 5, 5. And then they go back to 8. So the whole progression goes. Oh, I played that really bad. So the whole progression goes 3. And if you don't know how to do that, I guess, so when you're in drop D, all you need is to bar the first 3 strings for your power chord, right? And then when you play that next part, you just play open, but then you're gonna need to play a regular power chord on this high C. So that's 3, 5, 5, X, 3, 5, 5. Don't play the rest. And then back to 8. So the rhythm right away is kind of choppy. So it just goes like this.